Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home.
I'm so particular about my cleanliness, especially with like a new apartment, is that I will clean everything. And by everything, I mean each single panel here because it's so dusty. Like, I already started it, but like, look how dirty it is. So, let's clean this.
No need for either of us at this. Sleep alone, 'cause I don't like.
We're gonna start with what is probably the most satisfying thing about the new apartment is stocking the kitchen cabinet. So, let's get to it.
My days with you, you can waste my time. If that's what you wanna do.
Here's a little sneak peek of my bedroom. It's so large and open and spacious. This mattress is from Andy. It served me so well throughout all of my college apartments. I always move to different places, and now it's gonna become part of this new apartment. So I'm currently sitting on it, and then once I lift up, it's gonna unfold, and there we go. I don't want to jump on it because I am dirty and sweaty and gross from all the cleaning, but here's my mattress. I actually decided to put the mattress against the wall here because it just seemed awkward when it was just on its own here. And I don't have a frame yet, so it's just gonna be on the floor. This walk-in closet is crazy, and I've never had a walk-in closet before, so let's start filling up my clothes because this is gonna be so exciting. Imagine me just walking in, choosing my outfits, and then going out.
If all that you say is not true, I don't mind. I just wanna.
This is my vision for the apartment. I want to have a white sectional sofa here and then a wooden dining table there. And I really want to create a calm and aesthetic space, but I just know it's going to cost so much money to furnish this entire place. It blows my mind the fact that I already paid my rent for this apartment and yet I have to pay even more to furnish it. Money can be really tight as a student or new grad, and that's what happens when like a passive income can make all the difference. We hear so much talk about starting your own business, and you can easily do so with Printify, which is a free print-on-demand service for a variety of products. I'm not some fancy investor from Silicon Valley with tons of capital, and you're probably not either, but that doesn't matter because you don't need to invest a single dollar to get started with Printify. It's so easy. You start by choosing a product, and Printify has over 1,000 options. You create your design and you start selling. That's it. And you can choose different sales channels. So here's some tips I've learned as a content creator. So if you're doing TikTok shop, then you want to make sure you're using hashtags, maybe partnering with some creators to get your brand out there. Or if you're going to use Amazon or Etsy, make sure you're utilizing search engine optimization so that when someone searches for something, your brand, your name will be at the top. You set your profit margins and Printify takes care of the rest, so the production, the delivery, all of that. Again, I said it's passive income, so we want to minimize the amount of work. You guys have asked in the past if I would ever start merch, and I've always been hesitant just because I get so overwhelmed with finding a supplier and then dealing with shipping, and then I have to purchase stock in the beginning, and there's a risk because what if it doesn't sell? But Printify handles the logistics of everything. So all of those fears that were in my head, they are non-existent with Printify. They only produce the item once the order is placed, so it is risk-free. Again, we are students, not startup moguls. Right now is also the perfect time to start selling products because you can target the holiday shoppers. Think about all the festive Christmas sweaters or the cheesy coffee mugs. Yep. I see those gears turning in your head. Get started with your business idea by clicking the Printify link in the description box. I can't wait to see what your creativity produces, as well as for you to earn some more money. I'm going paddleboarding for the very first time. I'm at the beach, and it's
gonna be fun. I am actually so excited. I've never done this before. Hopefully it's not too cold, so, you know, get a good workout and just warm up that way. I'll catch you guys on the water. Hello! Excuse the blurriness because I have a water bag on my phone right now. So nice! And I didn't even realize that Toronto has this kind of activity. Like, I've seen people do it, but it's just crazy to be able to like see it, and it doesn't even feel like I'm in the city anymore. It feels like I like left. I'm in the cottage country. I feel like I'm not too bad for my very first time paddleboarding, and just look at this view is insane. And my group has left me, so I need to get going again. But I don't think it's that hard. I actually feel like I would want to get like a paddleboard or a canoe for the next summer at least, just to do more of this. I'm currently walking on this little island that is across from the city, and it's the cutest thing ever. Got some fried rice for lunch, and this is my first meal alone in my new apartment. So cute. You get that? I don't know, I found it on the ground. Sweat this time, it's rain. Yeah, CIGA was so fun.
Gosh, this was so nice.
We didn't go to CIGA, clearly.
Whoa. The Vici song?
Oh, so good, so good. Oh my god. And the encore? Oh.
I know, played twice.
The parties?
Yeah, it didn't happen. As you can see, we're all wet. They shut it down because of the storm, and now we're going for ramen.
Cause I've been feeling all this lately, kinda wishing that a heart just didn't.
I'm finally home. I'm so tired, and today was just such a long day. I was so excited for CIGA, and then this whole thing happened, and like I'm like still wet. Like my clothes are still wet and cold, and guys, it was insane. But we saw on his Instagram that CIGA was gonna refund all the tickets and then plan another date. It's unfortunate because I was really looking forward to it, but I'm gonna have a shower, a nice hot shower, and then I'm just gonna wind down. At least it is early, so I can still have a productive night and tomorrow morning as well. Good morning. Well, really good afternoon because it's been a late start just because I decided to sleep in. I really needed to recover after these long 2 days. It's just been crazy with the move-in and of course with the whole concert mayhem. But I thought I would make my very first breakfast, my very first avocado toast in the new apartment with you guys. So let's get cooking. I love this new fridge because it's like so big and I can like have so much food and I'm just so excited. Okay, so let's grab our avocados. I know the audio is a little bit echoey just because there's nothing in the apartment yet, so please bear with me. It's gonna be fixed very shortly as I get furniture in. Overall, I'm like really loving how it's all looking. I wake up and I just feel so like fresh. And it's so open and airy that my sleep has been good. I was able to like put down the blinds and really just sleep in. And I'm in a double bed as well now. I previously was in a single mattress and I don't have my toaster yet. I'm gonna toast the bread on the pan here. I don't know if you guys are like me, but when you guys cut cheese, do you ever cut like an extra slice just so you can nibble on it? I love cheese.
I've been picking up the pieces of the things that you do. I'm always second guessing what could be your next move. Yeah, I'm just trying to see it from your point of view. Never told you that.
I've been obsessed with this matcha chili oil from Maisel Tortilleria. It's from Toronto, made locally, and it's just the most aromatic chili oil, and they have like these peanuts in them too. It's so good. I usually will just drizzle some onto my toast. First breakfast in the new apartment. Let's see if my avocado Tastes better. Tastes the same as regular avocado toast, but my view is insane. Just feeling really grateful and blessed. I've been cleaning for the past few days and I can finally vacuum everything because when you clean, you always do top to bottom. And so all of the blinds that I was cleaning, all of the top shelves I was cleaning, all the dust that has fallen onto the ground, I can now just vacuum it up. And I love vacuuming, it's so therapeutic. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna play some music, get some tunes going, and just enjoy this final part of the cleaning set.